When it comes to trading, you need to be careful if you're going to be trading this month and at the beginning of January. You need to be very, very careful. In this quick video, I'm going to just share with you why you need to be careful when it comes to trading in December and the first part of January 2023. So this is usually the time where many people actually lose money for no reason whatsoever. And some of these things, they just require some common sense. But you know what they say about common sense? Common sense is not common after all. Okay, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. That's how you are not going to miss any of our future videos. Like this video, see the links in the description box below. If you are looking to download free Forex robots, free indicators, free courses, everything that we do on this channel is for free. So see the links in the description box below. Now, getting back to our video. Why do I caution people about trading in December? December is not a good time to trade. Why? Because as a start, many of the big guys that move the market right now, they are no longer thinking about the market. Right now they are thinking about where are they going to be spending their Christmas, where are they going to be spending their New Year, where they are going to take their families on holiday, how they are going to spend their big bonuses. Right now, they are not in the mood of moving markets. The big companies that these guys trade for, right now they are in shutdown mode. They are shutting down. They are concentrating on plans for next year. They are dishing out bonuses. They are giving the shareholders their dividends and all those things that they are going to be doing as they wind down the year. So you are not going to see a lot of volatility or volumes in the market, especially towards Christmas. Because the big guys have been waiting for their holidays the whole year. Now is the time to go and spend all their big bonuses in the Bahamas, Australia, Dubai, wherever these big guys go and spend their monies. So in their absence, what are you going to see? Yes, you are going to see movement in the market, but that's going to be a movement that's going to be tricky to analyze and to determine where it's going to go long term. My advice is, if you are going to be trading this month and the beginning of January, because around about until the first half of January 2023, you are still not going to be seeing enough volumes in the market because the big guys will still be on holiday. So they will start coming back beginning end of January, starting February. That's when they will start coming back to their desks, and then they start moving the markets again. Now it's going to leave the smaller guys, probably like you and me, not exactly like you and me, but it's going to be leaving smaller guys who really don't have enough power to move the markets, to actually move the markets. So what you're going to see as we especially move towards December, the Christmas holidays, is you actually see that there's going to be a lot of spiking in the markets, and there's going to be a lot of ranging in the markets. So most likely many people are going to be losing their monies because their stop losses are going to be hit, and the trade spread is also going to be widening on many pairs. Why? Because there is no more volumes in the market. The guys that we rely on for volume and for moving the markets are not in the market. They are just not in the market. They are away on holiday. So it's now anybody's market. If you get a few good retail traders with some good enough monies in their bank accounts, they can actually spike the market. If you get a few individuals somewhere who still are not yet on holiday, they can still spike the market. So you're going to see also even the guys that want to do manipulation on all those funny things, they will come out in the markets, because now it's anybody's game. So what you want to do if you're going to be trading this December and until the first half of January is, if you want to preserve your capital, your trading account, if you don't want to blow your account, because 2023 is still coming, what you want to do is mind the pairs that you are going to be trading. I would say if you are a person who trades a number of pairs, probably just cut down and trade one or two pairs. Now you need to really be careful about setups. You really need to be careful about your setups. You need really to confirm that it's a true setup. And you need to be careful about your stop losses and your take profits. I like to swing trade. Right now is not a time for swing trading, because the markets will be going whichever way somebody with a little more cash can move it, because the guys that we really rely on are going to be away from the markets. So anybody with some good money, some good change, they can spike the market. So you don't really can analyze and say for sure the market is going to go this way. What you want to do is now start aiming for those 100 pips a day, 50 pips a day, 20 pips a day. Get in, get out, get in, get out. Take whatever the market is going to give you, if you choose to remain in the markets during this time. Why am I saying if you choose to remain in the markets during this time? Because I think you should also take a cue from the big boys. If they are going away on holiday, you should also probably be thinking of going away on holiday, spending time with your family, spend some time with your loved ones. If you did not spend enough time with your loved ones during the whole year because you're working, because you're trading, now is the time to close the laptop, the desktop, whatever you use for trading, and actually also spend time with your family. You get what I mean? So you need to also be taking a cue from the big boys. If they are not in the market during this time, what are you doing in the market? Okay, then let's say you love the markets, you cannot stay away from the markets. That's where I'm saying now you must be careful. Be careful with protecting your capital, because 2023 is still coming. You don't want to blow your account in December and fail to come back in February, January next year. So mind your stop losses. There's going to be a lot of widening of spreads, widening of stop hands, manipulation, all that stuff. You need to confirm your setup. Is it really there? Which means you now need to be patient. Be patient with your setups. Make sure that you confirm the setups. Don't just go in as if it's a normal month for trading. December, early January is not a normal period for trading. If you have any questions regarding this, leave them in the comment section below. I hope this video is of benefit to somebody. Otherwise, guys, like the video, see the links in the description box below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.